What if I told you SRP is about to make a move that will shake the entire crypto world? Yes. Now, I want you to forget everything you've heard about the price prediction because this one would actually change your entire outlook. Now, in the next few minutes, I'll be diving into the data, I'll be diving into the chart patterns and every hidden signal that most traders are actually overlooking. It's either you're holding XRP or you're thinking about getting in. You need to see this before it is too late. And trust me, you need to stick around to the end for the final chat because it is going to blow your mind. So before we get into it, I want to welcome you back to the channel. This is the game. All right. So let's get into the business of the day real quick. Now, one thing you need to understand about XRP is there has been a lot of fundamental news around town. If it's going bullish or it's going bearish, but you will be the decider today after everything I'm going to show you. So quickly, let's jump on the chart and see what price has been doing on XRP. Right now, we are on the daily time frame. So let me jump to the weekly and let me show you guys something real quick. Let me show you guys something real quick. Now we see that the market has been making bullish movements ever since we had markets take out this liquidity. So we had a break of structure to the upside. Then market came again, then rallied up and did what? Had a break of structure here. So this is what I'm saying currently, right? On the daily time frame, we had price do what? Sweep this liquidity. So let's go on the weekly, I mean. So let's go back to the daily. What did price do? Price swept that liquidity and tapped basically into this region. You can see that price tapped basically into this region, and this is our current all-time high. So from what I'm seeing in price right now, the moment price closes above here, I'll be so comfortable to buy, to go long. This is not a financial advice actually, but this is what I'm observing because I have been seeing price rallying up here. We're having this break of structure to the upside. This is on the 4 hour time frame, having another break of structure to the upside. So there's a possibility that price might come within this and we'll get this, which is very possible. So this is what I'm saying on XRP. Now these are liquidity points that the market is obviously trying to take out. These are obvious points. These are obvious points. Now I'm seeing a pattern here. For those who trade futures, I'm seeing a pattern here which this is possibly our next target. So we are obviously looking at the 2.8 soonest. We're looking at price getting to 2.8 soonest on the chart. So I'll be taking you guys to another thing. I did a search on Google Trends. So I keyed in the word XRP to see people's interest over time, and we can see that at this point we had a spike, right, April 7th, and price it went down, and now we're having a pullback into the range. You can see across the world people are talking about XRP. Now I'll be taking you guys to the Binance liquidation map. We can see at this point we have liquidity below this low which I showed you on the map, but we have a lot of liquidity above this point resting above this point. So price is likely to take out all of this liquidity real fast. So we are seeing a bullish trend. Now if we go to the news, we see that a lot of news are talking about price, about Ripple, expected SRP push to $3 is possible. That's today. TradingView is giving their prediction, Binance giving their prediction, predicted timelines for XRP to reach 11:57 and 101. Right now, XRP is still within the $2 range. We're expecting price to get to $3, $5, $10. So this is not a financial advice, but I think if I will be getting in for the bull run, I will be increasing my bag right now. Price is at the $2 range, so we are expecting price to push to the upside and give us another new all-time high. So is it possible we get 5.0? Yeah, yeah, very, very possible. So if you guys have getting any value from this content, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section. Kindly subscribe to this channel to get much more info, much more insight into the market. And I'll see you guys in the next video.